different job seekers.
A day-long panel discussion with the theme Bridging the Mind Gap Between the Northeast and Mainland was organized by Women's College Shillong today in collaboration with Miranda House, Delhi. The objective of the panel discussion was to bridge the mind gap between the people of mainland India and the people of northeastern India, where people from the northeastern part of India feel neglected by the mainland. The panel discussion was inaugurated by the Secretary of the Northeastern Council, Moses Chalai. Speaking on the occasion, Chalai, the Secretary of NEC, said that nation building has many aspects and elements such as geography, history, language and mutual benefits.
This is an age of information and technology. And technology is, today we are taking things for granted, but we are sitting in different places, including the friends on the screen, and yet we can work out things together. So, because of technology, though of course, physical meeting still is, I think, still irreplaceable in some respects. But no, we can still try to make up as much as we can with technology. And this is the time of technology.